So we have a word problem here. I'm going to read this first and see exactly what we're being asked to find. So it says each face of a fair 14-sided die is labeled with a number from 1 through 14. So fair 14-sided die just means it's not weighted. It's not like leaning towards landing on a certain number over another number. There's no duplicates of the same number. Each side has another number, and that is 1 through 14. With a different number with a different number appearing on each face. We already know that. If the die is rolled just one time, so we roll. So I like to imagine, right? So I'm rolling the die one time. It's going to land with some number facing up. The question says, what is the probability of rolling a 2? Well, 2 only shows up one time out of the 14 possibilities. So what you need to know here is anytime we see the word probability on this test, probability will always become a fraction. That fraction's numerator will be what you want. I'll say what I want. In this case, the 2, right? So, and it's not the number 2 that I have here, because obviously, if I wanted a 3, if I wanted a 4, it still would just be a 1 in the numerator, right? So how many times can what I want actually happen? It can happen once. And then what I have, or total possibilities. So what I want over the total. How many possibilities were there for the number that I could have rolled? Well, there were 14 possibilities, right? I could have rolled any number 1 through 14. The number that I want is 2, and there's only one way that happens. So that's why my numerator is 1, my denominator is 14, and therefore my answer is choice A.